feels wrong. I can't get a lot of swoosh.
Swoosh?
Yeah.
Oh.
Swoosh?
Swoosh.
James has got a problem with his swoosh.
So, so we did a maiden flight of this yesterday. Oh, it was horrible, wind. But it flew after throwing it into the ground twice. The funny thing is, when I was holding it upside down to repair the wing, some of the decals came off on my hand, but my hands were sticky, so just be wary of that. I put a 1500 3-cell pack in this time because my good friend Dutch said he balanced it with a 1500 pack, so we're going to give it a go with that. So everything working? I think so.
Yeah.
All right.
Just going to feel.
Should we launch it over the grass?
Yeah, let's go.
Well, you are standing on grass, Tom, technically.
Long grass.
All right, that's better.
I'll just launch it over the long grass.
Be a bit clearer with your instructions, please.
Doesn't have to be strong. Just level or a little bit above.
Top field. Ready?
Woo!
Got it. Just a little bit of torque roll there as it goes off.
I think that's right. I think it is short roll. Alright, let's do it. Walk forwards a bit now. Well, I think I was wrong. I don't know if I was the CG. I was doing that wrong, but it's all right. Actually, and it's flying lighter because it's got the 1500 pack in it.
And you had the 2200 before.
I had a 2200 pack in it, and I don't know, it still flew okay with that big pack. But it flies better with a lighter pack, I'd have to say.
It looks quite nice and floaty.
Yeah.
It holds inverted okay. Looks quite solid.
Yeah.
Looks like a drone coming in with the V-tail down like that.
It's more stable inverted than it is the other way up.
That's true.
And enough power to push out.
And how long a flight time do you think you'll get with your 1500 pack?
I mean, I'm only flying at third throttle. This is full throttle.
It's got some speed on it.
You just don't need to fly it that fast.
Mm. I tell you what, it's flying much better than it did yesterday. Yeah, you look comfortable with it.
Yeah, I think it will stall. You can see it's ready to stall if I let it fly too slow.
And what are the characteristics if it does stall?
Should we try that?
Yeah, go up.
Right,
and
so we're
does
at
it
height.
mush.
Power off. Little, just holding it. Oh.
Oh, tip.
Yeah. I wouldn't want to do that very often. Right, okay. Should we sort of landing? Going the other way? And this way? Gliding in. Coming to the other. I don't think it makes any. There's no wind. Doesn't make any difference today.
It's not much.
It likes to glide. Oh, it does like to glide. There we go, Durafly Bonanza. So I apologise, I put a 3S 2200 pack in it yesterday, which was a bit too heavy for it, and put some down trim in it to compensate for what I put in yesterday because of that lighter 3S 1500 pack, and flies like a dream. Really nice and floaty, can do some aerobatics with it, even within this tight little flying field. A lot of fun. So look it up on hobbyking.com, the link is in the video description. Doesn't cost a lot of money. I think in the UK it's about 80 quid at the moment. Al,
Yep.
Is that right? So it's good. Comes with everything. Takes minutes to put together. Decals are applied. Just be careful of the. It's a bit thin on the cockpit screen. Don't put your thumbs on that. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.